Man. So here we are.
Here we are.
We have a lot going on right now. I don't even know where to start. But
tell them about our day.
Well, as opposed to just sitting here talking to you, how about I just recap it for you? Here you go. So when we first moved into this house, I had a few of my friends come help me, and most of the furniture we had here was delivered, but for the most part we brought a lot of stuff up these stairs. Needless to say, we moved in, I was sick. Now since we hired movers this time, I literally was sick this time too, and I'm like just now kind of getting over it, and I'm like just so tired. I'm so glad we got movers, because had I had people come help me, I would have been a bad friend, because I don't think I would have done anything today, because I was just so tired. But as you see, this house is completely emptied. I mean, I have to give a big shout out to my wife. I mean, she is a trooper. She stays strong through this whole process, because I am very lazy when it comes down to moving. I've moved so much in my life, it's not even funny. But looking forward to living in an RV. I mean, it's a mess right now because we have like 1,000 boxes in there, but we'll get it all situated and we'll see you guys soon.
What's going on, YouTube? So I am new to this. I don't know how my husband does this, but I wanted to let you guys know we are moving in to our spot tonight to begin full-timing, and Justin's a beast. He's getting it in there and he's doing great. You have plenty of room back here. All right, he shut the truck off. He must be satisfied with where it is.
What I'll do is, here, let's do this. We know we won't hit anything on this side, but let's just see how much, room we'll have for all this stuff while we're still hooked up. But we're good. This is just an awkward campsite, it's all.
So basically what he wants to see is, can we use our bathroom here? Do we have a long enough hose?
Okay.
Nope.
So we'll
and we don't.
So we'll have, I have a extension. The extension will catch, water will catch, power will catch. But we can leave it here.
So as you guys just saw, we sold our home and traded it for tiny living. We're living in our camper.
And we pulled up to this RV, 30 boxes. It's supposed to be 10. I have one box that I came in.
To my defense, I am an aspiring minimalist, but I have some time to get used to. I had 2,600 plus square feet, and now I have like 400. So
we should have came here with about 10 to 11 boxes. We came about over 30, I think, actually.
We'll see.
Yeah, about 30. We get to start some new series.
Yeah.
We get to figure out how it is to live in an RV in cold weather. Are we crazy? I think we are crazy. I like crazy. That's why I'm married.
And I like a challenge.
But it is 11 o'clock. I have to get up at 5 tomorrow. So we will see you guys in a second.